Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your LG G8X ThinQ, for the first you have to go for the Play Store and get application to transfer data. So let's enter here for the search pool, type here CLONEit. Here's the full name of the application, and you have to just install this app. Do the same on this Android smartphone. Click open. Accept all of the permissions. Click sender on your Android phone and receiver on your LG. Click allow, tap set, turn on location, go back, and right now we are back in the settings instead of the application. So we have to open the background apps and select, of course, our CLONEit application. And right now click receiver one more time, tap search again, and right now we have to tap search again one more time, and if we get here this Android share icon, you have to tap on it. And right now we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code, but also we can input the password manually, so we have to pick our way. I'm going to scan the code. Accept the request, and right now if you want to send all of the data, you have to click on all of these icons, and you will get here the size of the selected files and also the estimated time. But in my case it's only example, so I will go below for the details, and I think that I'm going to show you how it works on the songs. So I'm going to pick up these two songs and I'm going to unselect other, and right now I will click start, OK. And you can see that transfer is finished. So right now we can just check it where it is, and it will be probably in the files when we enter the Google folder or open the Google files, and it will be in the downloads, I think. And yes, here I got these two songs that I sent. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.